Today's breaking news, biggest news related to coronavirus. Total 308 deaths due to corona in the country.
Papa, what is coronavirus?
Coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is an infectious disease that causes respiratory illness.
How can we avoid it?
5 ways to fight coronavirus.
How?
1. Wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. 2. Cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue or flexed elbow when you cough or sneeze. 3. Avoid close contact 1 meter or 3 feet with people who are unwell. 4. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth if your hands are not clean. 5. Stay home and self-isolate from others in the household if you feel unwell.
Stay home, stay safe.
Swami Vivekanand and Corona. Due to Corona, Gattu and Chinky's school was closed for the last 11 months. But after seeing the effect of Corona decreasing, the school decided to reopen. All the classrooms were sanitized and the teachers were also given special training. While Gattu and Chinky were upset by the news of school reopening, on the other side, their parents were also worried about the children.
Gattu, Chinky's dad, are you sending your children to the school tomorrow?
Yes, we have to send them because they couldn't study properly through online classes. Now they can at least study properly at school.
There's no point in that. Kids won't be able to take the schooling pressure after this long gap.
Gattu and Chinky were also scared. They did not wanted to go to school.
We will not go to school. There is Corona.
Kids, your friends will be there too.
No one will come. I had called them. Raju, Goody, Sameer. No one wants to come. We also don't want to go.
Saying this, Gattu and Chinky started crying and their parents got upset. It was the morning of 12th January. Their mother prepared Gattu and Chinky for school and sent them along with their father. As soon as their father came in front of the school, the watchman stopped him.
Sir, parents are not allowed inside the school because of Corona. Please go for now and wait here in the evening. We will send your kids safely to you.
When their father started returning after listening to the watchman, Gattu and Chinky started crying even loudly seeing him go.
Children, go inside and don't be afraid. Mishra sir is waiting for you inside the class.
Gattu and Chinky were sitting downcast inside the class. The classroom's environment was not the same as it used to be. All the kids were made to sit away from each other, which affected their mood. Mishra sir was teaching. Suddenly he stopped and started looking at the unhappy faces of the children with a heavy heart.
I know. You all are scared. It is not right to study in such condition. If we will talk, you all will feel better. Tell me, Gattu, what is the problem?
Sir, everyone was saying that now our school will not be the same as before. We will not understand anything, even if you teach us. After so many holidays, suddenly studying will bring pressure on us. Sir, Corona is not yet gone. None of our friends have come to school. We also were forcibly sent.
After listening to Gattu and Chinky, Mishra sir said,
Understood. All of you are scared. To bid your fear goodbye, today I will tell you the story of a great man who never feared in life, remained focused in his purpose and became a great man in the whole world. Can anyone tell me who is that great man?
I know who that great man was. He was Swami Vivekanand.
Absolutely right, Gattu. The story of Swami Vivekananda and his thoughts can inspire not only us but the whole world today to come out of the swamp of Corona.
Sir, please tell us his story.
While Swami Vivekananda was passing through a forest, some monkeys started following him. Swamiji got scared and started running fast, and the monkeys also started chasing him. Wherever Swamiji was going, the monkeys followed him. In this way, running away from the monkeys, Swamiji came far away.
Then what happened? Did the monkeys give up chasing Swamiji?
No, the monkey did not give up chasing them. While running, Swamiji started thinking, I am running. That's why these monkeys are chasing me. I am scared. That's why they are scaring me. If I don't get afraid and tactfully tackle them, then they will go away. So children, Swamiji stopped running and he picked up a stick and stood up with courage. After seeing the stick, the monkeys stopped chasing him and ran away. Thus, Swamiji faced the crisis with courage and he became successful. So what did you learn from this story? Chinky stood up and said,
That we should face the crisis just like Swamiji without being afraid. Corona is standing in front of us like a crisis. But we should not get afraid of it. We should tackle it just like Swamiji. The more we fear, the more Corona will scare us. Our aim is to study. If we focus on our studies without being scared and being cautious, then we will definitely achieve our goal.
because Swamiji has said, arise, awake and stop. Not till the goal is reached. So children, will you get scared of Corona?
No!
So will you come to school every day and bring your friends too?
Yes!
In this way, listening to the story of Swami Vivekananda along with Gattu and Chinky, all the other kids got courage and also the power to fight against Corona.
Gattu and Chinky were playing a doctor's game in the living room. Chinky was checking Gattu with a stethoscope. Dad was watching the news on TV and Mom was busy in the kitchen. While watching the news, Dad suddenly turned the TV off. So Mom said from the kitchen,
Why did you turn the TV off? They were showing news about the corona vaccine. We would have known when it's coming in market.
Don't take these news so seriously. They will say anything for TRP. For the past year, I have been listening about it. Every day vaccines are made and then they disappear. You prepare the lunch, I am going to meet Mr. Shukla. When Dad left, Gattu and Chinky noticed that he is going out without a mask. After half an hour when the food was ready, Mom called from the kitchen.
Gattu, Chinky, lunch is ready. Go and call your dad from Shukla uncle's home.
Gattu Chinky wore their masks and went to Shukla uncle's house. At Shukla uncle's home, they saw that Dad and Shukla uncle were talking about the corona vaccine. When Gattu Chinky reached parking area, they saw that Rishabh was talking to his girlfriend and holding her hand.
Sweetie, until we get the vaccine, we can't go out to eat or watch a movie.
When Gattu Chinky came home, Gattu said to Chinky,
Vaccine, vaccine, vaccine. Everyone is talking only about the vaccine. What is a vaccine? It is an injection that can kill the corona. Then it is our responsibility to make a vaccine for our society. I think we should try making one. No, we can't make a vaccine by ourselves. For that, we will need scientist uncle's help. Are you talking about the scientist uncle who lives next to Shukla uncle?
Gattu Chinky went to his house. They saw that all the instruments were scattered all over the place. When Gattu Chinky told him about his plan, he started to shut the door.
Why are you closing the door, uncle?
Well, you want to make the vaccine, right? It's a secret mission. And just like that, the door was closed. It was evening. Till then, news about Gattu Chinky's vaccine was spread in their society. Gattu Chinky's parents, Shukla uncle, Rishabh, and some other members gathered in the scientist uncle's living room. Gattu, Chinky, and scientist uncle's faces were glowing with joy. Gattu Chinky, we heard that you have made a vaccine with the help of scientist uncle.
Yes, the vaccine is ready.
Well, then show us. Gattu Chinky smiled at scientist uncle. And then Chinky said,
This vaccine is not visible. You have to take it in the ear.
काय ही कसली वॅक्सिन आहे? असू दे, कानात तर कानात, पण द्या पहिला नंबर कोणाचा?
Dad will be first. Dad, please come here and show us your ear.
Dad came in front and he moved his head to show the ear. Chinky said in Dad's ear,
Dad, your vaccine is that whenever you go out of the house, you have to wear a mask.
Hearing this, Dad was ashamed, and then he returned to his place. Then Shukla uncle came in front and Gattu said in his ear,
Your vaccine is that you have to cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or hanky every time you sneeze.
Then it was Rishabh Bhaiya's turn. Chinky said in his ear,
Maintain 2 meters distance. Don't hold hands. Greet from a distance.
Hearing this, Rishabh was scared and he returned to his place. In this way, Gattu Chinky's strange vaccine made everyone think about their actions. When scientist uncle said, I hope that all of you got vaccine from Gattu and Chinky and you have decided to follow it in your daily life. When Gattu and Chinky came to me with the proposal of vaccine, I asked them why did they want to make a vaccine, and they told me about your behavior. Some people don't wear a mask, some don't cover their nose and mouth while sneezing. The vaccine will definitely come. Scientists are working on it, but all of us have our own vaccine. That is carefulness. We have to be careful and wear a mask, cover our mouth, maintain the distance, wash our hands regularly. Until we get the vaccine, this is the vaccine that will protect us. In this way, with the help of scientist uncle, Gattu Chinky made everyone aware of the true vaccine.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें